What's up, guys? Today we will talk about the American Express Gold Credit Card points. Well, what are those and how you can use it? First things first, we will talk about what are the American Express Gold points and how can you earn it. Well, earning it is pretty simple. First things first is you get point for every pound you spend. Suppose you spend like £1,000, you will get 1,000 points which you can use. However, on top of that, if you spend over £5,000, you get 2,500 points. Now you can have up to like 12,500 points per year. Now, what you can do with these points, you can use these points literally anywhere. You can use these points to purchase and refund insurance protections. You can use these points to get food, get flights. Gold card gives you a lot of things. You can get gift card, fly with points, pay with these things. So it's up to you wherever you want to use it. Points can be used anywhere. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.